The Mariana Trench is one of the least explored places in the world. It's deeper than the tallest mountain on Earth is tall, and yet scientists have managed to find some incredible animals living at the bottom of it. In this video, we're going to take a look at what lives 36,000 feet below the ocean and try and answer one very important question. Is the Mariana Trench actually habitable? Let's dive right in. But first, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more awesome videos. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean and is part of the Ring of Fire, which is a horseshoe-shaped belt that surrounds the Pacific Ocean and is home to many active volcanoes and areas of high seismic activity. The trench itself is about 1,500 miles long and is the deepest part of the ocean, with a maximum depth of almost 36,000 feet. That's almost 7 miles deep. To put that into perspective, if you were to stack up four of the tallest buildings in the world, the Burj Khalifa, on top of each other, they would still be almost 200 feet shorter than the deepest point of the Mariana Trench. At these extreme depths, the pressure is over 1,000 times that of the surface, making it one of the most extreme environments on Earth. And yet, despite these harsh conditions, life still finds a way to not only survive but thrive. But how do the creatures that live in the Mariana Trench survive in such extreme conditions? Well, let us take a closer look at just a few of the amazing animals that call this place home. First, we have to talk about the ghostly fish. These fish are known for their large, round eyes, which are thought to be an adaptation to the low light conditions that exist at such great depths. They also have very thin bodies and huge mouths. This helps them to maneuver through the water with ease and also allows them to swallow prey whole. Now, it's not all that surprising that there are fish living at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. After all, there's plenty of food down there for them to eat. There's a constant supply of dead animals and plants that fall from the surface, which provides a rich source of nutrition for the fish. Plus, there are also plenty of other fish down there that serve as prey for these larger fish. But what about the other animals that live in the Mariana Trench? Take the xenophile, for example. This is a single-celled organism that was discovered in the Mariana Trench in 1988. It is about the size of a basketball and is the largest known single-celled organism in the world. Scientists believe that xenophores get their food by filtering tiny particles of organic matter out of the water. They also have the ability to reproduce both sexually and asexually, which may help them to adapt to changing conditions in their environment. One of the most amazing adaptations that the xenophile has is its ability to withstand the intense pressure. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, at depths of 36,000 feet, the pressure is equivalent to having a weight of over 500 elephants standing on top of every square inch of your body. Yet the xenophile is able to survive this pressure thanks to its unique cell wall, which is made up of silica, the same material that's used in glass and ceramics. This allows the cell wall to be strong enough to withstand the crushing pressures of the deep sea, while still being flexible enough to allow the organism to move. Now, the Mariana Trench isn't just home to strange single-celled organisms. It's also home to a variety of other creatures like sponges, anemones, worms, sea cucumbers, and even sharks. All of these animals have had to make some incredible adaptations in order to survive in such a harsh environment. Take the Japanese spider crab, for example. This crab is one of the largest known species of crab in the world, with a leg span of up to 12 feet. They live on the seafloor and use their long legs to help them move around. They feed on dead animals that fall to the bottom of the ocean and also on algae and other plant matter. The Japanese spider crab is well adapted to survive in the cold, dark depths of the Mariana Trench. Their metabolism is very slow, which means that they don't need a lot of food to survive. And they also have special proteins in their cells that help protect them from the effects of high pressure. Now, when you think of a shark living in the Mariana Trench, you might imagine something huge. like a great white shark or a tiger shark. But the reality is much different. The sharks that live in the Mariana Trench are very small, like the dwarf lantern shark. This shark is only about 4 inches long and has a very distinctive appearance. It has a huge head and a huge mouth filled with sharp teeth that are perfect for catching prey. The shark's body is also very dark, which helps to camouflage it in the deep, dark waters of the Mariana Trench. Despite their small size, dwarf lantern sharks are efficient predators. They have excellent eyesight, which allows them to spot potential prey from far away. And they're also able to swim very quickly, which helps them to chase down their prey. Dwarf lantern sharks mostly eat other fish, but they will also eat smaller creatures like plankton and squid. Now, you'd probably be forgiven for thinking that the Mariana Trench couldn't possibly support life at those depths. After all, there is no sunlight for plants to grow, and that means that there is no food for animals that eat plants. But that's not actually the case. The truth is that the Mariana Trench is actually a rich ecosystem that is home to a wide variety of animals. Like we mentioned earlier, there's a constant supply of dead animals and plants that fall from the surface, which provides a rich source of nutrition for the animals that live there. There are also plenty of bacteria and other microorganisms that live near hydrothermal vents, which are openings in the seafloor that release hot water and minerals. These vents create unique habitats that are home to a variety of unusual creatures. So despite the lack of sunlight, the Mariana Trench is a surprisingly hospitable place for life to thrive. Okay, so we've covered just a few of the amazing creatures that live in the Mariana Trench. But there are obviously a lot more living down there. We haven't even scratched the surface. Speaking of which, there's still another huge mystery surrounding the Mariana Trench that we haven't talked about yet. The fact that it's still largely unexplored, with over 95% of the Mariana Trench remaining unmapped. Who knows what other incredible creatures we might find living there? It's possible that there are entire ecosystems down there that we haven't even discovered yet. With new technologies like remotely operated vehicles and deep-sea cameras, we're able to explore more of the Mariana Trench than ever before. And who knows what we might find next? Maybe we'll discover a new species of shark, or a giant squid, or even a new form of life that we never imagined possible. The Mariana Trench is truly one of the last great frontiers on our planet. And it is amazing to think that there is still so much that we don't know about it. Who knows what other secrets the deep sea holds? Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another awesome video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep asking questions. The ocean is full of surprises, and who knows what wonders we might find next. Thanks for watching.